Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. And today we are going to start with chapter number 6, characteristics and maintenance of a computer. Yes, we are going to learn this lesson. Yes, so let's get started. Now children, tell me, what are characteristics? The features. Okay, for example, you see a car. Okay, so what is the color of the car? How many wheels does it have? 4. It is red in color. Okay, so these all are the characteristics of the car. If you see a beautiful girl, what are we going to say? The girl is very beautiful. It has brown eyes. She is having a beautiful long hair. Yes or no? So these are the characteristics of the girl. So now in this lesson, we are going to learn the characteristics of a computer. Okay children? So let's get started. So first we will start with the introduction. A computer is an electronic device and it is very useful to us. We all know, yes, it is a man-made thing, it is a electronic device. Without electricity, it doesn't work. Yes or no children? Yes. So it is very useful to us. The computer can work for many years if it is used very properly. Okay, for example, we bring something to our house, right? For example, a TV or a washing machine, okay, or a vehicle, we are going to maintain it. What is the meaning of maintaining? To take care. If it doesn't take care of the machine, what is going to happen? It will not work properly. Okay, it is going to not work properly. So it is very necessary for us to take care, to maintain it. The meaning of maintaining is to take care of the particular thing. So how we are going to take care of the computer and what are the characteristics of the computer, this we are going to learn in this lesson. So the main characteristics of the computer. So what is the first characteristic? It works continuously. It doesn't get tired. Okay, if I tell you to write something for 5 times, after writing it, what you will say? Teacher, I got tired. Yes or no? But is computer going to complain this? No, computer is not going to complain. It works for us for continuously for many hours. A computer can work continuously for very long period of time without getting tired. It doesn't get tired. A computer does not get tired like humans after working for certain hours. We all go to sleep, right? Why? Because we all are tired. Full day we work and then we go to sleep. Why? Because we need rest. But computer doesn't need any rest. It can work for 24 hours until and unless if the electricity is not there, it is not going to work. But if the electricity is there, there is no power cut, it is going to work for as many hours as you want to. Okay. Now let us see the next characteristic. It is very fast. If I tell you to something, to add something, okay, you will take time. You will take a pencil, write in the book the numbers, then start calculating with the hands and fingers. Yes or no? But computer does the work very fast and that also without any mistake. Okay, a computer can work very fast. The work which we can do in days can be done in a very short period of time. Yes, it can do very fast. Many different and complex calculation can be done by the computer within seconds. If I tell you to add a sum, as I told you earlier, then we are going to take time. But computer, just with a click, as we enter the numbers, it is going to give the answer. And that answer is also not wrong, it is correct. Okay, without any mistake, it is going to solve our problem. Okay. Now, error free. What is the meaning of error free? That there is no mistake in it. Calculating, there is no mistake. A computer does all its work without any error. The meaning of error is without any mistake. It never makes any mistake. The output given by the computer is only incorrect if the input, if the instruction is given wrong. If we are give wrong instruction, then only it is going to give us wrong answer. Otherwise, computer never makes mistakes. Okay, now let us see the last characteristics. Storage. Okay, now what is the storage? Storage means the capacity to remind, okay, to remember. A computer can store many different types of data. For example, songs, movies, audio clips, photos, okay, the file, the text file, written file, many things it can store. If somebody tell us to remember something for too many days, we are not able to remember, okay, but computer can save things and remember all the things after a long period of time. It is as it is in the computer, saved, okay. It can store textual data, drawings, photographs, musics, movies, many things it can store, okay, and whenever we, after 2 years, 3 years, whenever we need the same thing, it can give us back also. The computer can store the text of all the books of the library. You have seen a library, children. What is a library? There are multiple number of books. Okay, so all the data of the books which are there in the library can be stored in a single computer. Can we remember all the things in the books? No, we cannot remember because we have a habit of forgetting things. We are humans, but this is a machine. It can store many things all together. Okay, so now let us see how to maintain the computer. Okay, what is the meaning of maintaining? The meaning of maintaining is to take care. So, how we are going to take care of our computer? Okay, cleanliness is very important for our healthy body. Okay, the teacher tells us we have to brush twice, we have to take bath properly, we have to trim our nails, everything we have to do. Why? That cleanliness is very important for our body to keep healthy. Okay. So, similarly, it is very important to look after or to take care of our computer for its long life. To keep our computer healthy, we have to take care of our computer. So, how we are going to take care of our computer? Okay, so there are some points which I am going to tell you. Keep the computer away from dust and garbage. Dust and garbage are the enemies of computer. If there is the dust in the CPU or on the keyboard, on the surface of the monitor, what will happen? It will spoil the data. Whatever the data is there inside, it can be lost. Okay. Cover your computer to keep it clean. So, many covers are available, beautiful covers are available of a computer. So, after if it is not in use, what we are supposed to do? You have to keep it covered. Okay. Avoid the use of computer if the electric problems occur often. So, if someday what happens, there is a power cut, okay, after sometimes there is a power cut, okay. So, if that type of situation is there, avoid using the computer, okay. So, now what is the next thing? Don't touch the monitor with a pencil or a pen, not only pencil and the pen, but any sharp thing is there, you have to not touch that sharp thing to the monitor. It should not touch your screen. Always cover the keyboard while not in use. There is also a cover available for the keyboards also. So, that if it is not in use, we have to cover and keep it. Use the keyboard and mouse switch very gently and do not pull any wire. You know that all the things, all the monitor is there, keyboard is there, mouse is there, all the things are attached to the CPU. Yes or no? Yes. So, there are many cables in the computer. So, you do not have to pull it, and whenever you are using the mouse and the keyboard, you just press the keys very gently. Gently means very slowly. Okay. The mouse should be used on the flat surface like a mouse pad. The use of the mouse should always be done on the smooth and a flat surface and not on the rough surface. Don't take the lunch box or the water bottle in the computer room. Okay, if you are eating something or if you are drinking anything, so it can just fall on the keyboard or a mouse. Okay, so it can spoil our switches. Okay, so this all things should be avoided when you are using a computer. Okay, children, this was all about the characteristics and maintenance of the computer. I hope you understand the lesson very nicely. This was all about this lesson. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.